The 27th Eurasian Economic Summit, which ended on Thursday in Turkey's cultural and financial hub of Istanbul, highlighted China's growing role in building a better world for all.
You see, it's impossible to speak about the international relation of the 21st century without to give the honor to the special Chinese role in the building of new, much more functionally and much more secure international relations.
Peter Roman, former Prime Minister of Romania, told Xinhua that thanks to its valuable initiatives, China is now in a position to be an agent of a more orderly world, taking into account the well-being of all people.
There are several very valuable and very important Chinese initiatives. Of course, Belt and Road, it's one kind of special kind of investment available to some states, some nations, which otherwise do not have those resources necessary.
Organized by the Istanbul-based Marmara Group Strategic and Social Research Foundation, the two-day summit attracted more than 300 political figures, diplomats, academics, and business people from around 40 countries. Themed From Crisis to Stability, Building an Inclusive World, the summit aimed to address global issues such as peace, climate change, water supply, and artificial intelligence.